So instead of talking about the pandemic, how about if we talk about having a night out? We should be fighting something else besides the pandemic. I'm thinking giant centipedes, asteroids, zombies, space invaders, all that kind of fun stuff. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to do a night out here at the Quarter Up Video Arcade Bar that is down 1452 North Portage Road. It's between Akron and Cleveland, so it's convenient for everybody. We're going to be giving everybody here as many quarters as they want. We're going to give everybody 2 drinks, wine, beer, soft drink, whatever you want, and we're going to keep the appetizers going. So this is going to be on Tuesday, August 10th from 5 to 7 p.m. No cost, no sales pitch, and about 50 games. We're talking about everything from asteroid, space invaders, basketball, air hockey, whatever the heck this is, all of us. This is just a networking event. Come on out. If you're a client, if you're a potential client, if you're a competitor, if you have nothing whatsoever to do with IT, we'd still love to see you. It's just a way for us to say howdy and celebrate our 14th anniversary at Simplex-IT. Pretty cool. So again, August 10th, the link for RSVP so we can know, plan stuff. The link will be in the comments for RSVP. Again, drinks, food, games, quarters. Want to see you here. Thanks. Bye.